because this one's likely to wee. Okay, the next one. Okay, this is a heavier one. This is the Doberman coming now. Don't look behind you, because this one. Oh, he's weed all over that baby man. Oh my God! Oh, she's weed on that. Oh, the dirty little blighters. Okay, and the next one, folks. Okay, this is the Rottweiler. Here he comes. Be careful, because this one gets nervous as well. Yeah, girl, he's struggling now. She's getting very nervous, I think. Yes, she's getting very nervous. She is going to wee. Oh, I'm not there. Oh, the dirty little dog. Oh! Okay, now the dog is going through your legs now then, folks, okay? Here we go, don't move. Don't giggle. No, don't giggle. Woo! Okay, look up, don't. What, this dog's called a fucking dog because he bucks like this, so be careful there. Okay, one more with another one through. Okay, there he goes. There he goes. I'm back if you can, Nettie, yes? Okay. Right, to finish this little trick, folks, we're going to have the dogs going through the legs and over the backs at the same time. Okay, here we go. Okay, off we go then. This is the little one, and the dog goes through the legs. There we go. There we go. And now Ernie. Can we have the dog going through as well? Here we go. Oh, he weed. Weed. Oh, you weed. Oh, he weed. Oh, the dirty little fighter. Oh, you go. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this group.